Hi everyone, and welcome. I'm so glad you're here for this journey into what really makes for a fulfilling work life. You know, this might not be the first time you've picked up a book, clicked on an article, or attended a workshop promising the secrets to work-life balance. But I can promise you, this is different, because we're going beyond the buzzwords. We're going beyond the quick fixes and the one-size-fits-all solutions. We're diving deep into the heart of what makes work meaningful, engaging, and, dare I say, even joyful. Let's be honest. Does this look familiar? Feeling stressed, burnt out, maybe even a little disillusioned with work, even if you've achieved what you thought was success? You're not alone. Important research around the world found that only a small percentage of people actually feel like they're thriving at work. And that's a problem. Because we spend a huge chunk of our lives working. 1/3. That's time we can't get back. And if that time isn't filled with purpose, connection, and a sense of accomplishment, well, what's the point? So what's the missing piece? What are we getting wrong about work-life balance? It's not just about working less. It's about understanding what truly motivates us, what makes us feel energized, engaged, and excited to show up each day. There are 28 core human needs, which we could call motives, that are essential for a fulfilling work life. Things like feeling like you belong and are connected to something bigger than yourself, having the freedom and flexibility to do your best work, in your own way, knowing that your contributions are valued and make a real difference. This isn't about finding the perfect job, because let's face it, that doesn't exist. It's about creating a work life that aligns with your unique values, needs, and aspirations. And that's what we're going to explore together in this course. You'll learn how to uncover your own personal set of work motives, identify the gaps between your current reality and your ideal work life, develop strategies to bridge those gaps, and create a career that truly lights you up. Are you ready to rewrite the rules of work? Let's dive in.